If these tips don't help with your snoring, click the link in the description below for more advanced tips. Don't let snoring ruin your relationship or a good night's sleep. These 4 tips will help you stop snoring tonight. 1. Switch to sleeping on your side. If you sleep on your back, stopping your snoring could be as simple as switching to your side. Ensure you get a pillow that keeps your neck and spine aligned, ideal for keeping the airways open. You may also want to get a body pillow or 2 to help bolster your body and keep yourself in the side sleeping position as you transition to this new mode of sleeping. 2. Watch what you eat. Heavy meals before bed disrupt sleep and may worsen your snoring. For more restful sleep, eat dinner at least a few hours before bed, and enjoy a late snack of one of these sleep-healthy foods if you get peckish. If you're overweight, commit to eating healthier foods and work with a nutritionist to develop a diet you can stick to. The more you can reduce the fatty tissue around your throat, the easier it will be for you to breathe at night. 4. Engage in regular exercise. Exercise helps you lose weight, reducing snoring, but it also strengthens muscle tone throughout your body. The stronger your muscles, the better they'll be able to stay open while you sleep. 3. Practice anti-snoring exercises as part of your bedtime routine. Any exercise will increase your neck and throat muscles, but you can strengthen your throat muscles specifically with any one of the following exercises. With your mouth closed, purse your lips for 30 seconds. Say each of the vowels out loud. Repeat for 3 minutes. Open your mouth and shift your jaw to one side. Hold for 30 seconds, then shift it to the other side for 30 seconds. Position the tip of your tongue against your top front teeth, and then slide it backwards along the ridge of your mouth for 3 minutes. Throughout the day, sing to yourself or practice chewing on both sides of your mouth. Never want to snore again? Click the link in the description below for exercises and strategies to never snore again.